this is a little video I'm doing, and it's only a little shorty, and it's a bit of an update really, as a catch up, because in Christmas 2022 I fitted a diesel heater, as many of my subscribers will know and have probably watched the videos. I've done various videos on and I just thought I'd do a bit of a catch up, mainly really about the sweet spot that I found, and which is around, if I sort of come in here and it's down to like 10 or 11 degrees, and I switch it on to say 3.5 hertz, it warms the garage up within maybe 15 minutes. It's warm, and I can crank it back down then to like 1.4, and it ticks over. When it's ticking over, it's using teaspoons of diesel. It's so frugal. When it's on full bore, which normally like 5 point something, I've set my maximum at 3.8. In depth of winter I might need it a bit higher, but I won't talk about how much diesel I've used because it's in the video. I've actually explained it. So it was just a bit of an introduction to say it's just a catch-up video really on this diesel heater and how cheaply it was to run throughout the winter. I fitted it in Christmas, just after Christmas 2022, and it's now April 20 whatever. We're nearly into May, so I'll probably won't be using it much soon. So I'll take it over with the camera and show you what the little video's about. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. There will be more videos on the diesel heater and obviously tons of garage stuff. So give us a thumbs up and subscribe. It helps my channel. I'm trying to make it grow, and it is slowly growing. We've got 1,080 something subscribers, 1,090. We're doing all right. Yeah. Thanks guys. Just a little update guys on the diesel heater that I fitted Christmas 2022. Still going well. Lovely and warm. Running it really slow. Let's have a look. 2.3 hertz it's running at. And that return air, the noisy thing about this heater is that up there. That return air, that is the noisiest thing. Could do with some sort of silencer on there. Yeah. Just if none of you have seen any of my videos on fitting a Chinese diesel heater, this is one, and that's a vent at sort of waist, chest level, and then if you can see it down there, I've got one at ground level, an outlet to blow warm air across the floor. The reason I'm just doing this little catch-up video is because that tank holds 10 litres. Now I've just put 5 in it. I went and got 5 from the petrol station of normal white diesel, which is gone red because that is red that's in there. There were about, I don't know, 2 or 3 litres left. So that is the first top up I've had to buy since I bought a 25. I took a 25 litre drum and filled it with red diesel. I actually got 27 litres in. Let's have a look. I'm sure receipt's still on here. I'm sure it was. Oh, I tried reading it and I don't think I could. Yeah, it cost me £43.49 for 27 litres of red, which were extortionate and ridiculous in price, but that's not my point. My point is, we're now on what, 20, have a look. We're on 26th of April, and we've had some really cold spells, and I've been in here a lot, as you'll know with my videos I've done. I'd say 3 to 4 days a week, and that's how much I've used in the whole winter. I bought that 27 litres, and that's another 5 I've just bobbed in there, and that's it. That's what it cost me to run from Christmas, just a few days after Christmas, when I got it up and running, until now. And it's on, as you could hear, it's on at the moment. Just topping up when we're up to 19.3, so it's comfortable now in here. In fact, I'll knock that down some more. That makes it a lot quieter as well. Okay guys, that was just a little video I'll put up, just a little catch-up video to say I haven't had any trouble whatsoever with this since I've fitted it. I haven't had a minute's bother. It's been 100% reliable, no hassle, no smells, no nothing. Absolutely superb. And I'll show you outside, it's not that noisy. That's the inlet. No burning, man. There's a steel tube there in wall, and then it's fiberglass packed, heat packing. So we've not done bad. Okay guys, I'll end that little video there. I just thought I'd put that snippet in to say that everything's gone absolutely superb with it, and I've had no breakdowns so far at all. I've heard of people having trouble with getting build up of carbon and things inside them. I don't know what the inside of mine's like. I've not stripped it because it's still working, and I suppose if it ever gets to a point where it don't work, I will oh, that's my next one. Thought it closed up. Okay guys, nice little video, just a shorty. Thanks for watching.